Yeah, first time in a kaihaka wānanga, and it's intense. Like crazy. It's like very culty. But a cult that you want to join?
Man.
Hi, G.
Yeah, good, bro.
I got some fitness questions for Kamaea and Aniwa.
Good.
Because I just need it. Yeah.
Good.
Needed. How long is it going to take for Aniwa to look like you?
Everyone's different, bro. It could take from either 6 months to 2 years. It's a long process.
We need ASAP.
We need ASAP?
ASAP.
All right, you have your creatine, your whey protein.
Black market?
Yeah.
Sweet. I'm familiar in that space. That's good, actually. Let's take a couple of the worst things he could eat.
Oh. I mean, I've seen Kamaea on her Instagram do a few of her mukbangs, so not those ones.
Not mukbangs.
Yeah.
She's good at those, though. She's good at those. Oh, second one. How do I make her arms longer?
How do you make her arms longer? Interesting. I've never had that one before.
You guys got monkey bars at the gym?
We do. We've got rings. We've got rings.
Rings?
Ring muscle ups, we call them.
Ring muscle
ups. So that actually could help extend, you know, her.
Yeah, great.
Well, hopefully.
How big's your arm?
How does it feel, brother? What do you reckon? God, I mean, no, you don't. You done?
I've been doing it to everybody.
Are we winning?
Yeah, it measures up. It's huge.
And that's, I guess,
Yeah,
that's what we
actually.
want for all our brothers at the...
No, we're the same size. I'll just measure that. Oh, you don't need to fully wrap it around. No, it's the same size.
Same size.
Yeah, I got you. Same size. Ow. That's gonna bruise. All right, Kamaea, got a fun little endurance game. Yeah? She's gonna hold on to this bar as long as you can.
What have we even doing here, Harry?
Strength training.
What do you mean strength training? You're pulling me off the floor.
Yep, just hold on to it.
You gotta be quick, I can't do
No, you
this.
got it, as long as you can.
I'm slipping. Hurry up, Harry!
You're done, go down.
What was even the point of that? I'm literally wasting my time. I need to get back on the floor.
It's like 10 minutes a day hanging there, a couple ankle weights. Should get a couple inches on it. Well done, T-Rex, let's go.
I don't know, but he's got this thing with arms at the moment and just like the body. Like, Harry, I think you need to calm down and stay in your lane. Move! Oh, give me a wrist for this!
I've got like twice as much meat in mine. Do you have the same?
Go.
Bro, someone like packed mine up to the max.
Protein.
Oh.
Go on.
Here he is.
Quick catch-ups, eh? I've been doing background work while you two have been vibing.
Ite whakahara tau, Mara.
Yeah, with gossip breaks.
Oh.
Can I just say, Kamaea, hell of a lot of snack breaks. Yeah? Just pull back on that, it's bad for the voice. Right, Aniwa, you're not loud enough.
Yeah, I'm loud.
Yeah, emotionally, not physically. You know, solution? Bodybuilding.
What?
Fucking nunu. Fucking you know, just bulk up, man.
God.
Bigger body, bigger voice. It's like a science adjacent thing, isn't it? You know, like you're a Mongan, eh?
Oh my gosh.
You know, you're like one of the Māori Tongans. So you've seen a bit of taro.
Mongan.
Probably a lot of taros. You actually look like an uso.
Oh my god. What? So whakatane, yo? Your answer to this is so that I do weight so I look like a butch male.
Ah, nah, yeah.
Crazy. Look, all I know is if I do bodybuilding, it's not going to be for Harrison or my voice. It's going to be for the stage. Maybe a boyfriend. Who knows?
Kamaea, consistency. Hey, you lose your voice very easily.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. That's literally you now.
I mean, fine. He ahua tika pēnā. Ahua.
Yeah, it's hard to listen to. Okay, two-step solution to a tahi, hypnotherapy. Yeah? You'll try it out for 3 campaigns and your voice still isn't strengthened. Clearly it's a psychological thing.
Fine.
Tuarua, no milky products.
That's where I draw the line, Harry. Literally nobody tells me what I can and can't eat.
Yeah, well, milk is the enemy of your excellence. Okay, Kamaea?
You don't even know.
What, pardon? Yeah. It's funny how the voice comes back when you've got back chat, isn't it?
Yeah, come and have a call anyway. We can put something together for somebody.
Like when I know Hoaki Mahi from next wānanga onwards, you'll be working in those teams.
Wow, I'm about to make the biggest announcement that will change everything. So wish me luck. Kia ora te whānau. Te rapia ka tiwatai ngā mihi. Just mihi nui ana kia tātou katoa. Ia tātou mahi tēnei wikere. Just one more thing from me to whānau. We're having a baby!
Continua.
Tino, yeah, I was whāmana.
Ora, mihi mai.
But yeah, Tino, grateful. So glad to have all these role models. And I love you all so much. What a great weekend. Let's go.
No, you didn't just say that.
Yeah, 75 hard. Everyone has to drink no alcohol. We're all in this together. Let's have parties after July.